What is going on, everybody? Robeytech here in beautiful Atlanta, Georgia. We got to build a Navy-themed PC that we're going to be giving away to one lucky sailor. Holy! Welcome to Intel Plays Rumble. Just how powerful is NVIDIA's frame generation technology? People got to see the Blue Angels, they got to see F-18s, F-35s, and so much more. Going to the Global Impact Academy. Land with the man, the myth, the legend, Jacob. Welcome to a very, very special edition of Intel Live. We are here at QuakeCon with over $75,000 in PC hardware and peripherals to give away.